Hi, I'm Dr. Alan Weidner from Massage Chair Relief, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Fujiiryoki Cyber Relax Pro massage chair for the first time. Now, as with most chairs, unless they have doors on the sides, you want to kind of straddle the ottoman and slide your butt in. I try not to put any weight on the ottoman, especially full body weight. Sometimes things can break. But anyways, when you slide in, you want to slide your butt all the way to the back of the chair, and you'll see that my feet are coming up. Don't worry about that. It doesn't mean that the chair doesn't fit you. When you turn the chair on, it will recline and the feet will come up and meet your feet, and you'll fit very well. Well, there's two ways to start this chair. Either there's a button on the side of the remote control. It's a little button you push to turn the power on, or you can use the quick keys power button here, and we'll use that one for now. And you just hold it for a couple of seconds, and you'll see the remote control lights up with the Fujiiryoki name, and then it'll bring up a menu. And it says here, quickly select one of the recommended courses. This is what I would recommend you do. Go to one of these three programs: gentle, stretch, or deep tissue. That's a wide range of programs. Each of those three programs are at either ends of the scale of intensity. So select one of those. You can also push the home button, and you can go to the home and go to the auto programs, or once you get used to it, this is where you can go in to do your manual programs, select your favorites, et cetera, or go back to your favorites. But push this button to go back to the recommended. That's what it'll default to. Now, you also have here English, but you have other languages. And I believe it's Chinese, Vietnamese, Korean, and French. And you can select whatever language is your native language. That's pretty easy to do. So once you're in this position and you've got the remote control up, you can adjust the headpiece. I usually like to move the headpiece up and over the back of the chair so I get my neck massaged. But I leave it here this time. By the way, this does have airbags in the neck, which is kind of cool on some of the programs. But we'll go with meditation. And this chair will just initially begin to recline. You can see already that the feet are coming, the feet portion of the massage chair are coming up to meet my feet. And so now the chair is going to fit me much better. And this chair can handle people up to 6'3", I believe, and as short as 5 feet. I'm 5'9", I'm right about in the middle there, but it fits me just fine. Right now it's doing they call it measuring the back, but it's basically the body scan. The chair is scanning my body. And then once the scan is complete, the program that I've chosen will begin. And that's all you have to do. Now, there is a setting in there to leave the chair when so there's two ways to get out of a chair. You can either let the program run to the end, and then the chair will come upright back to the neutral position, or you can turn the chair off midstream of the program and the chair will come up to a neutral position again. But there's a setting in the settings section under the setting button that's on the remote control that you can have the chair stay reclined at the end of a program. Because sometimes people fall asleep and they want to stay asleep. And for some people, being able to fall asleep is very, very difficult. So being able to do that in a massage chair is huge, and people may want to stay asleep. So you can change the setting for the end of the program to either stay back when it shuts down or come back upright. The default is to come back upright. So that's what you do, and I can feel the massage has started already. The airbags are compressing. It's basically doing its thing, and that's all you need to do to get started. Now, to shut it down, you can either push this button again or push the button on the side of the remote. Since the camera can see this button, I'll push this button again, hold it down for a few seconds, and you'll see that the screen turns off and the screen will go dark, and the chair is restoring itself to the neutral position. And that's pretty much all you need to know to get started in your Fujiiryoki Cyber Relax Pro chair. It's a very nice chair. As I talked about in the intro video to this chair, it's a split track. It's got 2 sets of rollers. It's a very, very nice chair. Fujiiryoki is a Japanese company, and they also carry a few other models, including representing the decor models. So anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please feel free to thumbs up, like us on our YouTube channel, and of course, help us spread the word about massage chairs by sharing this or any of our videos with your friends and family through your social media platforms. I'm Dr. Weidner, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.